Hello everyone and welcome to new video of social science. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter 11, Sunita in Space. In this chapter we are going to study about space, our planet Earth, and the universe in which all of these exist. Not to forget about the people who made the study of universe and space possible. Yes, I'm talking about the astronauts and the astronomers. When I say something about our planet Earth, you all suddenly become so curious. Many questions comes to your mind like what is space? What is universe? What is space made up of? Why stars are only visible at night? How Earth was formed? What is the moon? How day and night occurs, and many more. All these thoughts may cloud your mind, but in this part, we will explore all these questions and try to find the answers. The astronomers believe that everything came into existence because of the Big Bang. They believe that universe was confined to a small place, but after a big explosion, that is the Big Bang, everything scattered throughout the universe. Our universe began with a big explosion in space itself called the Big Bang. Starting from extreme temperature, the space expanded itself in the beginning. Slowly, the universe cooled down and simplest elements were formed like stars, planets, and satellite, etc. Due to this big explosion, many things were created. Among them, the galaxies also came into existence. These galaxies are cluster of stars. All these stars, when they come together and form a big shape in the universe, these are called galaxies. Star is a luminous body of burning gases that has its own heat and light. The size of the stars make the size of the galaxy. More bigger the stars are, more bigger is the galaxy. Galaxy is a huge collection of billions of stars and their solar system. The Milky Way is the home galaxy of our solar system. Sun is a small star of this galaxy. But the question that still is unanswered is what is space? Space is the expansion that exists beyond the earth and between heavenly bodies. The outer space begins about 100 kilometers above the earth. The atmosphere disappears, so there is no blue sky but a dark blanket with stars. Space is not completely empty, but it is a vacuum, a condition in which there is no air or very little particles of air. In space, no one can hear you scream. This is because there is no air in the space. It is a vacuum. Sound waves cannot travel through vacuum. Life is also not possible in space as there is no air. The universe. The universe consists of all the space and their contents, including planets, stars, galaxies, and all other form of matter and energy. The universe is everything. It includes living things, planets, stars, galaxies, light, and even time. The universe contains billions of galaxies, each containing millions of stars. The space between the stars and galaxy is largely vacuum. And in this vacuum we have heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies are those densely concentrated particles or matter that we see at day or at night time in the sky, like planets, stars, moon, sun, etc. And let's find some more facts about universe we live in. This is the image of our solar system. With the star of our solar system, that is the sun, Yes, the sun is a small star in the Milky Way galaxy. The sun is a hot ball of glowing gases. It keeps our planet warm enough for living things to survive. It gives us light so that we can see. There are 8 planets that move around the sun in a fixed orbit. These together are called solar system. Planets are another important part of solar system. It is a celestial body or heavenly body moving in a fixed orbit around a star. Similarly, a satellite is a celestial body orbiting the Earth or another planet. The planet and satellite does not have the heat and light of their own like the stars. Sometimes during the night time there is a shiny object floating in the sky. This have a tail. Yes, I'm talking about a shooting star. A shooting star is really small piece of rock or dust that hits the Earth's atmosphere from space. It moves so fast that it heats up and glows. As it moves through the atmosphere of Earth, they are called meteors. But sometimes, when these meteors are passing through the atmosphere, they break and this causes the meteor shower. The beautiful sky that we see during the night time is not visible during the daytime. Have you ever wondered why? Yes, because the air present in our atmosphere has a property that scatters the light it receives. During daytime, the light of bright sun, which is the nearest star to earth, scatters throughout the sky, forming a bright blanket. Due to this, the mild light of faraway stars are not visible. But during the night time, when it is dark, the stars shine brightly in the sky. Astronomers believe that life is not possible in extreme temperatures of space. Astronomers are scientists who study about space and planets. So they developed a vehicle to reach space. A spaceship is a vehicle or machine designed to fly in space. A type of artificial satellite. Spaceships are used for a variety of purposes like communication, Earth's observation, navigation, planetary exploration, and transportation of humans and cargo. Let's see these purposes one by one for better understanding. When I say communication, you all start looking at your mobile phones. Yes, the mobile phone is that device which is used to send signal to the satellites or in the space, and that satellite sends it back to the person whom you want to contact. This way the satellite becomes the mediator to send those communicative signals to one device to another. This is how the satellites helps in communication. The next thing is Earth's observation. By Earth's observation, we want to tell you how view from space can help in observing the Earth. Many different activities on the surface of Earth or in the atmosphere may not be visible when we are on the planet, but those activities can be well observed from the space. By Earth's observation, we can predict climate, monsoon, failure of rainfall, etc. The satellites also help in navigation. Navigation is way to tell directions clearly. The phone has GPS system that coordinates with the satellites and give us accurate idea of directions. Planetary exploration. Exploring the planets of solar system and stars of galaxy is also done with the help of spacecrafts. Mission to Mars was an example of this planetary exploration. Spacecrafts are also used for transportation of human and cargo in the space and back to Earth again. As you already know, the temperature of space is too extreme and harsh for the human body. So humans cannot go to space without any training. The people who are trained for traveling in spacecrafts are called astronauts. But even after the training, the human body will not be able to handle the extreme temperature of the space. So, to go in the space, one requires a space suit. A space suit is a garment worn to keep human alive in the harsh environment of outer space, vacuum, and extreme temperature. As you can see here in the picture, the space suit is fully equipped. It has many devices that helps the astronaut in the space. But still, why do astronauts need spacesuits? Spacesuits help astronauts in many ways. The suits protect astronauts from getting too hot or cold. Spacesuits also give astronauts oxygen to breathe while they are working in space. The suits holds water to drink. They also keep astronauts from getting hurt by space dust. Space dust may not sound very dangerous, but when it moves faster than a bullet. The dust can hurt someone. The suit even have special gold-lined visor to protect eyes from bright sunlight. These gold-lined visors reflect back the sunlight and protect the eyes of the astronaut. With this part of video comes to an end. The universe is all the space and their contents including planets, stars, galaxies and all other forms of matter and energy. Our universe began with an explosion of space called the Big Bang. Space is the expansion that exists beyond the earth and between heavenly bodies, whereas the heavenly bodies are those densely concentrated particles that we see at day or at night time in the sky, like planets, stars, moon, sun, etc. In order to go into the space, we need a spaceship. A spaceship is a vehicle or machine designed to fly in space, a type of artificial satellite. Spaceships are used for a variety of purposes like communication, Earth's observation, navigation, planetary exploration, and transportation of human and cargo in the space. But the astronauts cannot go directly into the space. They require a special garments. A spacesuit is a garment worn to keep a human alive in the harsh environment of outer space, vacuum and extreme temperature. Yes, these are the things that you should remember at the end of the chapter. With this, the chapter comes to an end. In the next video, we will be seeing the experience of Sunita Williams. So please do watch the next video. Thank you and thank you for learning.